Namaste, a very warm Happy New Year to all of you. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate this new year 2021. And during these unprecedented times amidst COVID 19, our main purpose of this event is to promote peace and love in order to build sustainable world of peace. We CHIRA Kids Preschool promote greater understanding, greater solidarity, and greater mindfulness in our children and to our society. So, today's event is the time to truly be a culture of peace to face COVID-19 pandemic. So, on this occasion, we would like to give a kind reminder to everyone that we all have an equal role to play in this time of uncertainty. And it is important to remember that how interconnected we are. The key event of the day is our students' performance. So here we are with channelizing our students' creativity on this virtual platform. So let me break this event for you. We have planned lots of activities like resolution, dance, drama, games, and students' special performance and parents as well. Isn't it interesting? I'm sure you are curious about the event now. So at 10 o'clock, we will begin our celebration on this big screen and we will welcome this new year 2021. You know what happens after that, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, let this day of peace and love be the wake up call to everyone because it is essential during this pandemic situation. By the way, this celebration is relayed live on our social media, our school social media page, and I have a humble request with everyone to give your likes and comments on the event. So that definitely going to help us on our performance.